Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Nathan in Louisiana on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Nathan, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment. We pulled out the small buffer capacitors and the DC buffer, as well as the audio buffer, to replace those with some 2200 microfarad caps, and also did the upgraded voltage regulator. Got it ready to go here. Let's turn the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. We got you about 2 watts. That way, if you decide to run a little 4-pill or something, you get full adjustability. Roll it up. Just shy of 15 all the way up. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 50 bird. 100 watt slug at PEP. Low about 97 PEP. Roll the carrier all the way down. See what we got from a 2 watt carrier. Hello. That same 97, 98 PEP. Alright, Nathan, it's ready to come to the bayou. We appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.